Tyre Crunch. These are glasses, and this is a quad bike. Right, let's go. I'm going to slowly go over it. I'm going to stack it back up. Oh god, that's crushed the lid. Just about where you can see it, hopefully. Can you see that? Yep. And let's go down. And then again. Go the arms sideways. Whoops. Oh, God. Stack them on sideways, maybe. Oh, God. Sideways did a lot of damage. Oh, that's quite funny. They went flying all the way over to here. This is the aftermath. Cracked cool lenses. This is Tyre Crunch V2 makeshift tripod. So same, it's tight except I've got a stone underneath and it won't move. So, oh, I should have probably done the front wheel, shouldn't I? Let's get that lined up on the front wheel. I've deflated the tyres by about 5 or 10 psi. So, let's go. Slowly. Hopefully even more slowly. Do the other side. This is your rear tyre. Let me just move it in a little bit because I want to get all the way on the camera hopefully. Reverse. A bit faster. And the fastest. And then like slow speed. That was Tyre Crunch. Here's the aftermath. Stone lodged into it. That's the actual stone there. And for the quad bike, this is the quad bike. 48 volt lithium battery pack. It was originally 36 volt. I'm going to add some weights to the front in a minute and some weights in here, just because I want it to be really heavy so it gets more traction. Because at the back, I mean, it's so easy to lift up, but at the front it's like really heavy. So I mean, I can't even lift this up that much. Like it's really heavy at the front. And when I sit here, it's more at the front really. So I'm going to go add some weight to the front and just clean this up there. So people don't think I'm just leaving it, okay. So now, I've got so much weight on it. This weighs about 4 stone, or 5 stone. This weighs about 1 to 2 stone. This weighs about 3 stone. That's not even a stone. That weighs roughly about a stone. These, about almost a stone together. This tyre is squelching. You can see the bulge on the tyre when I move it. You can see the bulge on the tyre. And the suspension's maxed all the way down. That's what it would normally look like. But I mean, it can't be moved like barely any more down. This is all strongly done. Reinforced both sides. And then reinforced again to there. And there's no way she's coming off. Like, it is actually, like, look how much my quad bike weighs. Like, look how easy it is. Like, I'm pushing that with one finger. I don't want to do it there. My thumb then. And look, I can move the whole quad bike. You can see that. They're only moving a little bit. But then if I get on, this whole thing weighs more than about 17 stone with me on it. More than 17 stone I would estimate it about. And just to prove that it's got no stress on the motor, Well, actually, you can easily see because I can just pull it back with one finger. Or 2 fingers then. And it's not even that hard. So let's try and run over the glasses again. Wow, we're going to get destroyed. And something else in here, which is just like a bag full of just garbage and all stuff we can run over. Because it's so hard to turn around, I'm going to have to set the camera up here. Because it's going to really take so long to turn around. So, get the glasses. Lay them down on the floor. Right, let's go. Oh god. Feet on. Right, and let's go. That woman was just looking straight at me. She was like, what the hell? Anyway, back wheel. Oh my god, straight through it. Look at that, glass is coming off everywhere. And then let's just run over the stone with the edge of the wheels. So front wheel, edge of the stone. And then back wheel, edge of the stone. And then back wheel again, edge of the stone. Back over. And there. The front wheels are actually coming off the ground now, so how heavy it is at the back. Oh god, I can actually lift it off the ground. That's how heavy heavy it is at the back. Right now, let's run over these. A Duracell, I'm not sponsored by Duracell battery, and this, it's a torch holding thingamajig. Set up my tripod, very good tripod it is. Move this out of the way. So battery first, I'm thinking, like this. I'm going to do it with the back wheel only because the front wheel just does not have enough weight. Like I've just said. Put this on the other side maybe. Don't know how to hold this up. Like that. Right, let's run this over with the back wheel only. No front wheel. Right, let's go. Oh my god! Right, and then let's put this underneath the back torch holder. Let's go. I can't see the torch holder now. What the hell? It didn't. Oh, it got stuck in the ground somehow. Show the battery in a minute. Let's go forward. Oh, that is crushed. What? It didn't even get crushed. What does it do? Oh god. Oh, I know why. If I put it this way around, it would crush. Because it's getting stuck in the concrete. Pushing it now. God, it's done a really weird shape to it. Now let's try that. That's cool. Hasn't even really done that much damage. Let's try this way. Let's try and run it over this way. And back again. All the way. I swear if the front wheel just curved it then, if that was actually the front wheel, I'm going to break this quad bike. Watch happens to this battery. That was not like that before, by the way. Like that was not exposed like that before, it's fully wet. So, I'm going to put it underneath the tyre, like this. Let me just move this forward a tiny bit, just until it locks into place. Just there. Move it forward, there you go. And we've got our answer to crushing it. Let's get a really close shot this time. Closest shot we've got so far. Damn it. Ah, stay on the stand. You'll be able to see that. So I'll get it into. Let's go. My mum's coming. What? It's stuck in the ground. Oh my god, look what it did to the ground. Oh, that's what was happening with that clip. There's a massive dent in the ground. And the battery's gone all like really weird. Like, what the hell? That's where it got stuck in the ground. What? I'm gonna have to do that again in a minute. Recording again. Right, let's go. It's got stuck in the ground again. I need to show you this. Just for proof. Right, you see that there? The dent it makes in the ground. That thing there. It's ripped the casing off. What on earth is this crazy thing doing? Let's try run over this pen with just really quick as a bonus bit, and then I'll have to go tomorrow and run over stuff with Joshua then, my next door neighbour. So, if I just get this to work properly, there we go. Let's get an edge bit here. Right, in 3, 2, in reverse, is it? Yep, 1. Oh, it didn't work. Then I'll try that again. Okay. Oh, that's reverse still. That's got stuck in the ground. Why? What on earth? Everything got stuck in the ground. Look at this. It made like a cut in the ground where it's gone. Oh god. So rips it. Jeez. No, this is electric. It's a whole gearbox type thing. Not gearbox, but like.
Wait, is something under my wheel?
Nope. We're gonna be running over stuff with my quad bike. This weighs over 7. I would say over 12 stone easy.
Yeah, way over.
Easy.
Probably even more, because we can hardly lift it. Also,
Yeah.
Like, we're big,
Only for like 2 seconds.
and we're
with it,
big,
right?
strong 11 and 12-year-olds.
I've lost a ring.
What ring?
There's a ring.
The ring that he gave us.
Yeah. We've lost it.
Oh,
No, it doesn't matter. Anyway, we're going to be running over all this. Tablet as well. The tablet. No, Joshua, don't touch it yet. It's a Samsung tablet. Samsung. Yeah, let's run it over.
Where did you get this?
School. Anyway, Joshua, let's come and watch. You stand over here.
We just hoarded loads of junk.
Right, I'll tell you when to go forward. Right, let me get my torch. Right, go forward in 3, 2, slowly, very, very slow, like only like that.
Okay.
Until it moves a little bit.
Wait, now?
Yeah, not very fast. Oh, Jesus Christ! Right, put it in reverse. Stop. Put it in reverse.
But go stand up to get to the
Right, go very slowly. Only push it with your feet. Push it with your feet, actually. Push it with your feet. Yeah, right, go in reverse.
When did you get home?
Like a minute ago. And then going forward again. Oh, yeah. Oh, right on top. Try not to go full throttle, George, because it just wastes the battery like hell. Just go very, very slowly. Yeah. And then go in reverse. And now, go forward in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Jesus. Right, I'll tell you when to go forward again.
Look, I've already done
Go, 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 go. Oh, Jesus. Right, go forward.
Look, already.
Whoa, you ran over the edge of it. Oh, you snapped it. Right, go.
Put the keys.
No, just leave it, Joshua. Just stand over here because I don't want you touching all that. Because we might lose all of it and my keys will probably be lost. That's all, that's it. There's nothing underneath. Right, you stand on it. You stay on it, meme. Right. Let's run over a Moam.
You stay on it, but I'm going to stand up because my balls hurt.
Put it.
No.
Right. Can I stand up and ride it?
Do you want me to ride it?
I'm alright riding it because you're better at filming, but
Yeah, you stand up then.
it's just because my balls hurt.
Right. Just slowly. Wait, wait, wait. Oh God, I've just thought if you stand up, that's all going to topple over.
Why?
Do you want me
What-
to just?
what's the
Do you want me to just drive over this?
No, it's alright, I'll do it.
Because it's
What's the difference?
Because if you stand up, your back's going to hit against them. Yeah, you just sit down like
My
that.
balls.
If not,
let's
just
go.
put your legs out like that.
Put my legs on there. No, I don't know.
Right. Anyway, just slowly because my fingers are underneath. Right. Okay. Now you can go. My God. Right. Reverse.
I put the actual worst trousers on.
Oh my God. Right. Forward.
Yeah.
Very slowly, and then I'll tell you when to brake. Actually, I'll brake. Forward. Right, now let off the throttle completely. You hold the brake. Right. I'm not even moving it. The tyre's like bulging. Can't even see them, can you? Yeah. Right, now you can go now. Yep. Oh my God! Look at the track.
Yeah, I know.
Look at the track on it. Put a spot on it. Should I do a bit of riding now? Because so you've done 2, I'll do 2, and then
bit
Joshua
better
can
at
do 2. You film. Just get it as close as you can to the wheel.
Yay!
Joshua will do it after me. I'll put the Apple Watch case, and after this you can select something, Joshua.
My shoulder won't hurt. You know, that.
Oh, that's really comfy. Right.
Yeah, because it won't
Ready?
even
3, 2, 1.
Snapped it.
It's
Go
just
back.
Oh, let me go in reverse.
Yeah, go back slowly.
You get 4 goes to run over it.
Ugh.
So that's
Noise.
Right, and then 2 more after this. I mean 1 more after this.
And then just stop. I'll go back a bit and I'll tell you when to
You
stop.
tell me to stop.
Keep going. A bit more. Stop.
A bit more back or a bit more forward?
Just stay there. That's perfect.
Is it perfectly on it?
Yeah.
I'll have to look in the footage later. Right, you ready? Reverse?
Yeah, go. Oh, yes. I'm lost. Okay, just let me put it a little bit further forward. Right, now go forward.
Go a little bit
It was
faster.
bits were missing the tread. There we go, that's better.
Right.
All of it's now on the tread. Just wait a
Stand
minute.
it up underneath the wheel.
Right, no, just wait a minute. 1 sec. Just go back one more time.
Do you want to stand
Right, there
it
we
up,
go.
like hold it like horizontally or?
Put it on.
Yeah, right, I'll do that.
Oh,
Just hold it
no,
there.
no, I'll
Oh,
put
well,
it.
trust
I've
me.
got an idea. I'll put it in one of the pieces of tread. In one of the tread bits. And now go. Maybe right now. Oh, I'll just hold it then.
Yeah. I'm not going to run over your finger.
Yeah.
Don't worry. No, you need to hold it like more.
Put it. No, no. Put it like up there. Oh, I can't hold it right with the camera.
I do. I can.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Do you want to hold it and I'll film, or do you want to do it the other way around?
Right, get something else, Joshua. You get something else. I'm going to run over something else. You get that out of the way.
So that's kind of what happened.
Right, put it in the junk pile.
There's a junk pile there.
No, get
Oh,
something
we need
else.
to keep. Is this our burning pot?
Yeah. Put everything in there, the Apple Watch case and
Wait,
everything. Yeah, get that in your hand. Yeah, get that in your hand. Yeah.
That's it.
Right. Oh, you landed
Did
it.
you actually? Oh, I
Right,
wish I got that on video.
Yeah. Right. Make sure to film them, George.
Yeah.
You put it underneath the wheel, Joshua. Right.
This is just junk.
No, put it the
I
other
don't-
way.
I
Upside down. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
I honestly
Right,
don't know
ready?
why we've even got this. This
Very,
is just
very
junk.
slowly.
This is just junk. I don't even know why we've
Right.
got this.
Let's do an ASMR. Nobody talk. Right. Okay.
Why are we filming it?
It's cool. We're gonna see how strong my quad bike is.
You'll understand when you're older.
Yeah. You will.
If we do it.
Even though we're just randomly running over rubbish.
Yeah.
That's not gonna go smaller anymore.
Right. Joshua, do you want to get something else, or do you want?
Wait,
Do you want Joshua to ride? Joshua, you ride.
You ride. I'll get some.
Right, Joshua.
Don't let me run.
Oh wait.
You know how to drive this, okay? Do not do this. Hang on, let me just get the camera. Joshua, you see this? This is called a throttle. When I turn it on, do not go like that. Go like this very, very slowly. If you want to stop, don't pull this. Well, you can pull that actually, and it will just cut out the quad bike. And then, you know, like, just don't go full throttle, okay? Because if you do, you'll crash and die. But no, we're not joking. If that falls on him though,
Yeah.
that can easily pull over.
And they'll just crash into the
Extreme.
car.
Yeah, and you'll just destroy the car.
Yeah. So
This
don't
will all
do it.
fall off. This is like
You'll totally
And I'll
die.
be in the car, dead.
yeah,
Maybe.
yeah,
Probably.
somehow. Anyway,
Yeah,
let's
I'm
run over
gonna
this
be a
pen lead.
massive hole
Bit
in the car.
exaggerating,
Right.
but okay.
Okay, don't twist that
Can we do the
throttle.
filming, Jamie?
Yeah.
No, actually, I
Wait,
won't
no.
be in the
You
car.
do the filming because I have to make sure he runs over it. Okay.
Actually, I won't be in the car. I'll be in
The
bike.
bin.
In the bin.
No, I'll be in the bike.
Trim the pop socket.
So do it now.
No, not yet. Just pull that. Right, you tell me if it falls over, George. Do not twist that like that. Go very slowly, okay? Right. It's ready.
It's done. Just don't move it. I'm gonna put it back.
Hang on. Oh, I know why, Joshua. Right, go very slowly, okay?
Have a bit better. Put an angle.
Wait for George.
Right, I'm ready.
Right. Very slowly. You can go if you want.
Yeah,
Go a little bit more.
yeah.
Whoa! That was so close. Oh my eye. It went,
Did it actually go front of your face?
yeah. Literally, I felt my eyelashes go.
What happened to it?
See ya?
What is it alright
Nothing
still?
happened to it.
Can we watch that back?
Yeah.
Right, should we stop that? Oh, it's half an hour,
Right.
but then he just went.
Slowly. Actually, I got a good stand here.
I don't think he cares about me.
Good stand there. Hang on, not yet.
What we're running over now?
Like a USB. That
Oh,
USB. Okay. Hang on, not yet. I'll tell you when to go. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I need to somehow get my phone to stop falling over all the time. Oh, I know. I know. If we leave my phone like this, George. There you go. Right. Slowly.
You want going away?
Right. Just
Please
go.
make go away.
Oh my god! It imprinted the USB on it a bit. Right. Go back. Go back. This is too dangerous for that. Go forward, go forward. Slowly. My fingers underneath. Slowly. Can't hold it. There we go. Just a minute. Keep on going, keep on going. Right. Not yet. Oh, God. Right. Bring the quad bike to here. I'll pull you back.
I don't have it.
Okay. God, it's so hard to do.
Can't turn it. Stop.
Right, stop. Forward, go forward, go forward.
Touch paper.
No, that's the USB thing.
Oh, is
Just
it?
go forward because it's going to just flatten it.
Am I going slow or fast?
Slow. Always slow, you can't go fast at all this time. Oh my god. Stop. Oh, it didn't work. You can...
Just tell me when to stop, it's easier.
Right, hold the brakes, hold the brakes. Yep. Look at that. Underneath, perfectly. Yeah. Yeah. Bring it then.
What is it?
Put it near the garage door. Put it underneath.
Or a car.
Let me just put your hand on the ground with it.
There.
Put it on the ground. Yeah, but Joshua, it's too dangerous though.
Yeah, what is it?
It's like a little ambulance thing, but it won't run over that. No, don't, Joshua.
Wait a minute. Got an idea.
Because he won't go back in, he doesn't. He doesn't go back inside. I've done that before, it doesn't work. Anyway, George, just keep him running over it. Just trust me, George. He's my next door neighbour.
Go back out.
No, he won't go back in the house.
Not so just
He won't go out the garage.
doesn't
No.
trap him out.
My dad asked him to go out the garage and he wouldn't. He refused. He had to get his mum to drag him out the garage. Drag him. Like, fully, like, grab him by the hand and drag him.
Fair point.
Right, anyway, don't go full throttle. Because it's just don't go like that. Just slowly
Forward
go.
or back?
Forward. Right, now we can inspect it. Actually, no. Go very, very slowly back. Keep going. It's right on it. Go full. Go full. Stop. Ooh.
It's easy.
Look at that, it imprinted the actual thing
What
on
the tread?
No, it imprinted the USB on it. And oh my god, I thought smooth it is. Right, you can stop now. You can run over something else now.
What can we run over now? Can we do back?
Oh shoot,
That'd be
he's
a bit
left
like
his-
Nintendo, won't it?
Joshua! He's left his Nintendo charger.
Joshua.
He's gone in. Should we run over super glue? Let's try get. Can I run over super glue though?
Yeah.
Right, I'll run over super glue because I really want to do this. I've got the camera in a good stand there.
Joshua.
Do you need your Nintendo power card? Joshua! Right, you.
Does this turn on?
No, it's already broken. Let's try and see how much super glue will come out.
Can I try and you know before we crush it?
Yeah.
Can I put it through my knee?
Yeah. It
And
won't
then-
work.
And then put it into two and then
It won't work. You won't get it into two jars, trust me.
Okay, fine.
Right, you just don't touch the camera because it's perfectly
I'll
fit.
just keep an eye on it, make sure.
Make sure nothing falls.
You can try and get the glue out.
Yeah. Is the lid off?
Yeah.
Right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Yay. Load is coming out. Yay. Just keep going. Go back now. You don't want to run over the glue, otherwise it'll get stuck to your wheel. Annoying.
Hang on.
So we need to go back.
Is it still going?
No, I think it stopped. No, it's
Sorry, I'll go forward a bit more.
Alright, stop. Go back. Go back. Go back. Wait.
I bet there's not that much glue. There's only going to be like a droplet.
No, it's quite a lot.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's still clear super glue wet. There's a lot of stuff we can fix with that. God, it moulded it down. But look, there's no way I could have flattened that like that. Jeez. Wait, what should we put on it though? Just wipe it with the plastic or this paper.
No, don't. Put the lid on top of it, like put some glues in the middle of it. Yeah, do that.
And then run it over.
And then wait for it to dry. Wait for it to dry, and then run it over.
George, it's going to take hours.
Fair point.
It'll take days actually, days. Right, it's in reverse. Right, go very, very slowly. Not that fast, Jesus Christ. That's not slow, that's like...
Yeah, no, I went a bit fast then, didn't I?
You went full throttle. Yeah, that's slow. Right, I'll stand it back up. Oh, it's all over my hands. They're slow, very, very slow. Right, actually, yeah, keep on going. Oh, George, you just stopped then. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I thought it was going to explode. It literally went full on the actual lid. The whole tyre was on top of the lid. Reverse. Yeah. Oh, it's all over the tyre, but it's crushed the lid completely.
Should we go one more time?
Yeah.
Should we go a bit faster this time? Just
Yeah.
over it.
Yeah. Don't go full throttle and stop. God. You went straight full throttle. That's going to waste so much battery. Did you go full throttle?
No, I went full throttle, about half.
Oh my God, look how flat that tyre was. Right, go in reverse, go in reverse. I'm getting this underneath.
What's that?
Like an earpiece thing. Keep on going. Again, and again. And again, keep on going. That's it. Right, keep on going all the way back.
I'll never go clear.
Right, that's it, stop. Stop. Right. Oh, this is so stinky. Super glue stinks.
This has a bit of a lean, doesn't it?
Yeah, but not that much, it's fine. There we go, all that super glue's gone.
Is it hot glue down?
No.
Right, we should...
It's all like wired down. Right, now it's my turn to crush some stuff. Because you've just crushed it. Tons of stuff. I get to crush.
I crushed the lid. Didn't I?
Yeah, you crushed it. Let's put this ball on top as well. Right, so here's the grand finale. Well, not the grand finale, but some.
Yeah, I've still got loads
You
more.
record. You've got loads more.
I've still got loads more here. I've got about 8 more things, maybe.
Right, you record this job because this is the best one. You've got to
no,
make
we're not doing the iPad yet, are we?
the
Should we
tablet.
do that
No, we're doing that now. I'll edit it so it's the finish. Right, recording now.
And then can I do a bit
Grand finale, isn't it? This is the last thing.
Can I try? Can I
This
attempt?
is the last thing, isn't it?
Yeah. Can I attempt to try and break it with my knee first?
It won't break, trust me, George. I've been trying to hit it with an axe about 5 times last night and it did not bend. I even stood on it. Right, anyway. Make sure to get a good view. Wait, no. Go actually down and so you can see the actual bolt. Right, you ready? Very slowly. It's moving, not motion.
Oh.
Reverse. It won't have done
You
that
go.
much
You go
damage.
reverse, and then can I go forward and reverse, and then again?
Where's the bolt?
It's there.
Is it still on it?
Yeah. Right. Can I go now? After you.
Yeah.
You just do one more forward and then go reverse again. Right. It's still on there.
Oh my God! Did I run over the battery?
Yeah. A few times.
Right, I'm just gonna cut it. Right, we're recording. You need to sit down.
Are we on that at the minute?
Yeah.
Or do I need to go back a bit?
You're on it almost. Almost. You're like a. No, not. You don't need to. No. You're like an inch away from it.
Ready?
Make sure to go slowly. Yeah. Safety mode. Yeah. Slow.
No, I'm just slowly working the clutch.
The clutch.
No, not the clutch.
The clutch is when you change gears.
Yeah, I know. I got the wrong name.
What the? Right, now reverse completely. Oh my God. Wait, shall I try and get an inside view? Wait, before you go.
Yeah, I know.
Let me try and get an inside view.
Oh, you can put it between the wheels.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Right, I'll tell you when to stop because it will hit my phone probably. Just go very slowly because my phone's on the edge of the light. Yeah, keep it going. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Right, you've hit my phone. Right, go forward, make sure it's
I'll be
forward.
responsible for you. 600. Oh,
99p phone.
It wasn't 99p, they're about 500.
Brand new though. I didn't buy mine. Well, I did buy mine brand new, but I got it off a phone
Yeah.
thing. That shattered that. Look at this. Whoa, that did more damage than everything. Let's put some stones on it.
No, I've got a really good idea, Jimmy.
What?
A minute, move for a second. I'm gonna slam this. I didn't even
You
do
did? Oh,
it.
you did. Yeah. Whoa.
I love your makeshift screensaver.
And it's not screensaver. It's just so the glass
Yeah.
doesn't go everywhere.
Alright. I thought it was, when you were using it, I thought it was your screensaver. Instead of glass screensaver, you just get gets them up there now.
Should try to do a tablet fold. Try fold it.
That's what I was gonna try and do.
You won't be able to fold it.
No. What's the best thing to do it? Right. Put it on it. If I put that on there.
Yeah, it's not going to fold it, but it's too strong. Surely just too strong. Yeah, you can't rush it. That's what I mean. Like you did nothing. You didn't even crack it that much.
Bent it a bit.
Only a little bit. The cover of it's coming off. Should I try to do it with my quad bike? I can actually bend it with my quad bike. What are you doing it? Get the rest on my quad bike, maybe. Like try to stand it up underneath my quad bike wheel. You hold the camera just a bit.
Tired now.
Are you actually from that?
Yeah, it's tiring.
It would be, wouldn't it? Do you want? Oh, I know. You stand here. You stand here.
Or shall I stamp on it because I've got better shoes on
No,
for
just
it?
stand here. I'm gonna reverse.
Oh, okay.
You stand. Just put your foot there, literally. Yeah. Right. You. Yeah. Hold it there. I'm gonna get temporarily in reverse. Right. You ready?
Yeah. It's just sliding me.
Was it actually?
Yeah, it's just sliding my foot back.
Was it on camera?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, just if you watch the video back.